It's a childhood memory that almost all of us have. 1. I feel like thunderstorms were a bigger and more frequent event when I was a kid. 2. That feeling of limitless freedom on the first day of summer vacation. That feeling of dreaded anticipation on the last day of summer vacation. 3. Not being allowed to turn the light on in the car. 4. Hauling ass upstairs after turning the lights off so whatever the darkness has behind you doesn't eat you alive. 5. How the school seemed like a different world when you stayed late or had to be there on a weekend. 6. Either trying to step on no cracks or on only cracks on the sidewalk. 7. Our moms leaving us at checkout to look for something, then the cashier starts to scan the items. 8. Why is the moon following the car? And also imagining a weird human figure running along the skyline or sidewalk, keeping pace with the car. That one might be more specific, but I used to do it, and I saw someone else post about it, so it's gotta be more common than I think. 9. Having a wiggly tooth. The occasional random awkward silence in class until someone says, "Why did it get quiet?" 11. Skinning the palms of your hands on the pavement, more especially the lower palms. Either tripping, falling off your bike, or falling down in general. That burn and stinging in the scrapes with just a little blood and grime. 12. Thinking that teenagers are really cool. 13. Making friends with other kids at a public pool or playground and never seeing them again. 14. Randomly thinking, I will remember this moment for the rest of my life, and it's just you staring at a couch or some random